Okay, this is a continuation of 8.5. We're going to have some definitions and then do example 1. I've already written the definitions out here, and so you might want to pause the video to get them written down. But the angle of elevation is the angle formed by a horizontal line and the line of sight to an object above. And an angle of depression is the angle formed by a horizontal line and the line of sight to an object below. So we're talking about line of sight. What does that mean? Well, if we imagine that this horizontal line right here is coming from our eye level, then we would be looking upward for an angle of elevation or down for an angle of depression. So we're talking about this little angle in here and this little angle in here. So this one, here's the horizontal line, and this is looking down to A below, so that would be an angle of depression. And this one right here, I'm going to make it orange instead, would be an angle of elevation, because the horizontal line is here, and then we're looking up. If our eyeballs were right here at A, we would be looking up toward B, and so that's an angle of elevation. So imagining that the line that we have two lines of sight, one going straight out from our eyes making a horizontal line, and then either an elevation going up or depression going down. Example 1, they want us to look at angle 2 and angle 3. So that means that we're going to look at being this guy standing right here. And we're going to say, what is angle 2 and what is angle 3? Well, angle 2, that guy is looking up toward the restaurant. So the horizontal line is here, and we're looking up. So that is an angle of elevation. And angle 3, we're looking down from that horizontal line to this guy down on the ground. So that is depression. Okay, on the try it, go ahead and identify what angle 1 is, elevation or depression, and how does that compare to angle 2? Go ahead and try and do that. Pause the video for a moment and then come back. Okay, hopefully you determined the angle 1. Is an angle of depression. For angle 1, we were standing right here, and the horizontal line is here, and so that angle is downward from that person's view. Their line of sight would be looking down. So that's an angle of depression. Now, angle 2 and angle 1, we have these, they're really separated by this horizontal line and this horizontal line. And we have this angle, and we have this angle. Well, all horizontal lines are parallel. So that means that angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. And if they're alternate interior angles, then we know that they are congruent.